Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, September 5th. The Zen story for today is titled The Sacred Stick. They found it beside a stream, a gnarled stick, worn smooth on one end, bent like a question mark on the other. The monkey picked it up reverently, dusted it off with exaggerated care, and held it out to the monk like a sword being passed between kings. This, the monkey said solemnly, once belonged to a mountain hermit who tamed tigers with a whisper. He carved sutras into bark and silence into stone. He spoke only with a stick. The monk blinked. He spoke with the stick? Every thump was a teaching, said the monkey, tapping it 3 times on the ground. Now it's yours. The monk hesitated. But why me? You're walking to a place where people stop walking, said the monkey. You'll need something sacred for that. So the monk took it. He walked with it tucked into his robe belt like a hidden truth. When he rested, he held it across his knees. When he rose, he tapped it once on the ground. That night, he slept under a banyan tree, dreaming of tigers who bowed. In the morning, he awoke to a child giggling nearby. The stick was in the sand. The child was using it to draw large, lopsided circles, around and around, then a spiral, and then nothing at all. Stop! The monk snapped. The child froze, wide-eyed. That's not a toy, the monk said, snatching it up. It's sacred. The child nodded silently and backed away. The monk stared at the stick in his hands. It was smeared with sand and traced with a faint crack near the curve. He brushed it off, but something clung. He sat down. He looked at the lines the child had drawn. A circle, a spiral, a line that went nowhere. Slowly, he placed the stick beside him, not on his lap, not across his knees, just down to his side. And the monkey, perched on a tree above, whispered, "Looks like it still speaks." Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe gently close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. When have you held something so carefully that you forgot its purpose? And what changed when you let it be shared? When have you held something so carefully that you forgot its purpose? And what changed when you let it be shared? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. When have you held something so carefully that you forgot its purpose? And what changed when you let it be shared? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.